In this video, we're going to show you how to replace an oil pan on your Scion XB. This is going to be located in the front of the vehicle. Let's get started. Using a 14mm wrench, we're going to remove the drain plug. Be sure you have a collection bucket under you. Using a 10mm socket, we're going to go around and remove all of the nuts and bolts for the oil pan. We're going to leave one bolt installed. And this is so that when we break the seal on the pan, it doesn't just totally fall out. It'll at least get caught and you won't wear a bunch of oil on yourself. We're going to use a flat scraper and we're going to get in between the pan and the motor. And we don't want to mar up our surface. We just want to break the seal in between the two. Keep going around with your scraper until you have all of the seal split. We're going to slowly pull our pan down. Then we can remove that bolt that's helping hold it up. And remove the oil pan. Using a scraper, we're going to go around and remove all of the old RTV from our mating surface. Go around the whole mating surface doing this. Continue around until all of your surface looks like this. Using a clean rag with some parts cleaner, we're going to go around our mating surface, getting any of the oil or dirt off of it, getting it ready to RTV and seal. We're going to give this one more wipe right before we put our pan up, just in case any drips fall down. If your pan is continually dripping in this area, you're going to want to wait to put the pan up until it finishes dripping, just so you're not getting oil into your sealant and then having to wipe it all off and redo it. We're going to take some parts cleaner on a clean rag, and we're going to wipe down the outside of our new pan. This is just to get any dust, dirt, or any oils off before we put on our RTV. We're going to go around. We're going to put a bead of RTV around our whole pan. When you go around the bolts, you want to go around the inside of them. Go around the whole pan with the sealer. Smooth out any high spots and build up any low spots that you have. Now we're ready to install the pan. We're going to go around one more time, wiping our mating surface for the oil pan. Install the oil pan, and you're going to want to line up your studs. Line up the studs in the front and the rear, and then get the nuts started. going to get a bolt started up through the side. And that'll hold our pan up there while we go around and get the rest of them installed. Go around and get all the bolts installed. Continue around until you have all the bolts installed. Go around and torque the bolts to 80 inch-pounds. We're going to do this in a cross pattern, kind of just front to back. We're going to go around one more time, just double checking that all of our bolts are at 80 inch-pounds. Using a 15mm socket, torque the drain plug to 28 foot-pounds. Remove the oil cap. On the oil cap, it'll tell you which two oils you can use in this engine. We're going to fill the engine with engine oil until it shows up on the full mark on the dipstick. Now that we've added our engine oil, we're going to pull out our dipstick, wipe it off, put it back in, pull it back out, and now we're going to check our oil level. We have a low mark and a high mark. We want to make sure that our oil is right at that high mark, which it is. We'll give it a wipe, put it back in, reinstall your oil cap. Now go ahead and pop in the car, start it up, let it run for a minute, turn it off, wait 5 minutes, and then come back to your dipstick and recheck it. Make sure it's at that full mark, and if it's not, go ahead and top it off until it is.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.